Hey friends, have you ever been overwhelmed by just going online to find a simple answer to something? You have to wade through pages of stuff, ads, and half the times you never get what you're really looking for. Well, don't you wish there was an easier way to understand things like your test results, or like just jargon or something about prescriptions, or even just a simple little recipe or an answer to life's little challenges? Well, I found my new best friend, ChatGPT. It's all one word. And ChatGPT, it's an AI thing, can be your best friend too, okay? I'm ready to tell you about it. By the way, it's free. I'm not selling anything. It's free, okay? Here are 6 or 7 ways that it can change your life for the better. Hey, before we get started, what is ChatGPT? It is an open source AI program. What does that mean? It means it's artificial intelligence that you can have at your fingertips. Right here, ChatGPT. You see, it's all one word. This is what the app looks like. I'll show you how to download it from your app store later. But more importantly, I'm going to give you 6 or 7 fantastic reasons why ChatGPT can be your new best friend. Okay, let's start with number 1 reason, and my favorite. ChatGPT can make your whole life that revolves around medical tests, results, knowing things, looking up things. It can give you the information, and you can ask it to give it to you in plain English. My God, it's wonderful. It doesn't replace your doctor now, but what it does, it helps you be better informed and more educated, so that when you're looking at your test results or a prescription or a condition, you are better educated and you can ask better questions, taking control of your health. Here's an example of something that I did recently about a test. Here's an example. I got results from my ultrasound for my carotids, and while I was waiting for my doctor to get back to me, I asked it, hey, in plain English, what do you think of my results? So here I copy and pasted my test result, the text, and I put it right in here. That was all from that. All those crazy little numbers that they put in there that you have no idea what they mean. All right, so here it is. Here's a simplified explanation. So it tells me what it did, what the findings were in plain English, okay? Basically, it told me it's kind of normal. No need for me to freak out at the moment. And I'm just telling you, this is wonderful. You can really take control of your health this way by being informed and educating yourself. That way, your visit and your follow-up with your doctor is maximized, and you can just live a better life. Okay, do I have to mention again, it doesn't replace your regular medical supervision and doctors and stuff like that, right? Again, it's an aid so that you can get and be better informed and educated so you can manage your health better. Number 2 reason, okay? It's instant answers. Instead of going to Google or some other search engine and endlessly scrolling and trying to figure out if you're in the right place or sending you to endless websites, it's amazing. It's quick and it's easy. Like, for instance, I just did it. I'm traveling. So I asked about certain hotels and ways to get there, and even about hotel check-ins, and like an easy one, like how much of a credit card hold do they put on when you check in? Stuff like that. Things like this normally would take you a long time, if ever you would find the answer. Here's an example of getting information quickly. I just switched my healthcare insurance from Medicare to a different plan, and I couldn't find out about my benefits, or one of the benefits about my vision or dental. So instead of waiting online, I went and I just quickly typed in the question, and it gave me at least a guidepost, okay? So this can help. It can help you save some time and some headaches. Hey, reason number 3, it's quick and easy. And that's just about it. Seriously, you don't have to wait till an office opens up or a website is down or wait for someone to give you the answer. It's there 24/7. You can even be in your jammies at night and do it. I do it all the time. Number 4, you're going to love. Number 4 reason why you want to use ChatGPT, because you know what? You don't have to ask your 6-year-old grandchild how to connect to Wi-Fi anymore, or any tech issues, okay? It is so great to ask a technical question and ask it, say, explain to me in plain English, how do I change the lighting on my phone, or how do I organize these photos in this stupid new iPhone update, or things like that. I'll tell you, makes you look like a geek and rocket scientist. Number 5 is amazing. Number 5, imagine having your own personalized assistant. That's right. Someone who's there that you can ask any question with your daily activities. For instance, you got a pain in your lower back. Oh, my back hurts today. Can you recommend some exercises for me? And it does it. Real easy. Look. Okay, I asked it. I said, hey, my lower back hurts today. Can you recommend a couple simple at-home exercises and how to do them? So look, here's 2 gentle exercises. Look at that. Cat-cow stretch. All right, pretty cool. Start on your hands, blah, blah, blah. Look at that. Go on. What's this? Child's pose. Never heard of this. I'm going to have to do some of these because my back really does hurt. Anyhow, you get it? Is this amazing or what? Hey, ever need somebody to talk to or a companion? I'll tell you, ChatGPT to the rescue, or at least temporarily. Honestly, you can have intimate little chats. You could talk about a book. You can ask for a book recommendation or a movie or maybe a joke. Okay, so here's an example of it being a friend and companion. I told it I need a quick pick-me-up, and you have some good jokes about being old. Okay, now these are corny, all right? ChatGPT isn't everything. It certainly isn't me. Hey, but it could do the trick. Okay, the last reason here, number 7, because it's safe and it's private. Okay, it's a private space. It's not on a computer someplace. It doesn't show up in Google, or you don't start getting ads and calls or your information hacked because you asked a question about something. Okay, so it could be yours. It's your own private little safe space. Okay, what's next? How do you download this? How do you get it? It's free, by the way. Did I mention that? Okay, so go into your app store or the place where you download apps. Go to the search bar right there. There's my search bar right there. See? And up at the top, I'm going to type in the word ChatGPT. Okay, now remember, ChatGPT, is all one word. ChatGPT. Chat. See how hard? GPT. Search. Okay. All right, now there's many different apps, or let me put it this way, there's many versions of it and other AI apps, but I love this the best. It's free. They do have a paid version. You don't really need that unless you're going to be doing a lot of graphics, okay? And there, you just tap that. That's it. That's what it looks like. It kind of looks like, kind of like a bun or a braid. ChatGPT, the official app by OpenAI, okay? And you're done. You just download to your phone or device, follow the prompts. They may ask you for an email address, and just tap away. Okay, friends, that's it for now. That is it. And there are a million more reasons. In fact, when you do download your ChatGPT, which is free, like I mentioned, let us know how you do. Type below. See what you can discover. You'll be amazed at its capabilities, and it's only limited by your imagination. I will do some more videos of how to maximize it and how to give ChatGPT the proper prompts so that it gives you more complete answers. But that's another video for another day. Okay, listen, if you've enjoyed this, please do like the video and subscribe to my channel. Or more importantly, maybe share it with a friend too, a friend that this may help, okay? You never know. You could give them their next best friend.
Please like and subscribe. It's free and it will help me.